Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials are ready: an account, the app, and permission for camera and microphone. Sign in now so your profile and settings sync across devices. Once done, test internet speed and prefer wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce lag. Make sure your device's time and date are correct, because meeting links use timestamps. Finally, note the meeting ID or calendar invite. This is your ticket in. Keep it handy for the next steps. You click the meeting link or enter the meeting ID and passcode. Either path connects you. When prompted, select Join with computer audio or dial-in, test speaker and microphone so others can hear you. Adjust video by turning camera on, picking a virtual background if needed, and framing yourself in 16:9 orientation. Once in, find mute and stop video controls. Use them to manage noise and privacy. If screen sharing is required, click Share Screen and select the correct window or application. You wrap up by leaving or ending the meeting. Hosts can end for all, while participants leave when done. If you recorded, confirm the file saved to the chosen folder before closing the app. For troubleshooting, try restarting Zoom and your device. This clears transient permission or driver errors. If audio fails, switch between headset and built-in mic, and rejoin using telephone dial-in as fallback. Finally, if the link fails, copy the meeting ID into the app manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.